I'm Elizabeth Noble with That's So Noble. In this video, we're going to talk about ways you can deploy your database project. Let's get started. I'm going to open up Azure Data Studio and connect to my local server and look at my databases. And as you can see, I have 4 tables in my database. If we go back to my project and we look at the tables in my project, there are actually 5 tables in my project. And what's happened is this table books has not been deployed to the database. So we're going to walk through how to do that deployment. Now, the type of deployment I'm going to show you today is one that you can do working in your development environment. And this is kind of a good first start. So if you right-click on your project, you have the option to build and publish. Now, you should always build your project to make sure that your project is going to build successfully. And the build window is updating down below here. And it's going to go ahead and finish its build process, and it tells me that the build succeeded. So we're good to go for publishing. So if I right-click and I go to Publish, I can select a profile, which we don't have one of those yet, and that's okay. But I can also select my connection. So I'm going to select the connection directly to Book Catalog, and then Publish. Once again, the section down below is going to start going through the process of deploying that DAC pack, and it's now succeeded. If we go back to the database and we hit refresh and we go look at our database, we'll see under our tables we now have the table book that's been deployed. That's how you can easily deploy your database projects. Over the next couple of weeks, I'll be walking you through what we can do to use Azure DevOps to automate the deployment of these database projects.